Hi, this is Tomato Tim, and it's November 2nd in the San Francisco Bay Area, Zone 9B. My wife and I have our urban garden here where we're growing all totally organic, very clean produce. And this year we had a couple problems that I wanted to share with you on our indeterminate tomatoes that we've been doing stream binding with. And we had a very productive season, but we had a couple of problems that I want to have again. And I'll talk to you about why I want to have what these problems are and why I want to have them again. First of all, and I'm in the process of taking down all of the tomato vines. These were loaded with fruit, and we've harvested it now. So I'm in the process of taking these down, but I wanted to show it before I take them down. So the two problems I have is, one problem is that these tomato clips that I've got are too small for these stalks, and they're pinching in on the stalks. The reason, but these stalks are tremendous, and this is something that is indicative of extremely healthy tomato plants. And as a result of having these such thick stalks, we got huge harvests. The only thing is that it can't really clip around it, and it's putting impressions in it. So I'm actually going to have to look online to see if I can find some larger tomato clips to deal with my larger tomato plants. So again, a very good problem to have. I hope to have it again, but I thought I'd share that with you. The second thing is, if you're using my low-cost trellis that I showed how to build in another video for string trellising, you'll see how these are all bent. Well, this has rebar inside of it, and this has the Schedule 40 PVC that it's made out of. In prior years, I've had absolutely no problems with it, but this year I have had such a heavier harvest. In particular, the tomatoes each are much larger than they have been in the past, and the trellises just couldn't stand up to the weight. So again, I'm going to revisit my trellis. I'm going to need to revisit my trellis design. And again, because of being so successful in growing large tomatoes this year, I've got a couple problems I need to work on. So I thought I'd share that with you. Good luck growing in your garden, and use lots of compost and keep it all clean and organic.